Hey, to connect a Redmi 14C to your car, first of all, start by opening settings. Now go for more connectivity options. And right here, go for Android Auto. Now you will be redirected into the Google Play Store in the most cases to get the latest version of Android Auto application. So you have to simply click on this update button. And now, when the download will finish, you can simply go back. There we go. Now after a few seconds, try to open it one more time. There we go. And we got like 3 different methods how we can connect. So first of all, we can click to connect the car and we can simply use the wired connection. So if you have, the compatible USB port in your car, the USB port, then you can simply connect cable right here and then the cable into your car and you will be like automatically connected. But you can also click and change, and you can use the wireless connection. By clicking here, you've got like 2 options. If you have the Bluetooth button on your steering wheel, or for example, in your screen layout, then you can press and hold it and you will actually start setup. So it's actually available in some 2021 or newer cars, and your Redmi 14C will be visible on the Bluetooth list. But if you don't have this button, you can simply connect by using Bluetooth. Now you will have to enter for like pairing mode on your car and click to pair a car. And now your car will appear right here on available devices list. So we can sometimes refresh, or if you don't have this, you can click here to view all of these devices and select your car. And that's how we can do this. Thanks for watching.